Okay, guys, super excited. How are you doing today? How are you? Good afternoon, good morning, wherever you're joining from. If you can hear me, tell me where you're joining from. You're welcome to Forex Outlook with Mayowa Owolabi, where we check the chart together and we have a game plan for the week. How are you? How are you? How are you? Good afternoon, good morning. If you can hear me, put in some 777 on the chat box. Good afternoon.
Forex Outlook trading session with Mayowa Owolabi, Africa's most sought after financial market coach. On this live session, you will have access to get potential trade setup, currency pair analysis, trading questions and answers, and lots more. Stay tuned and enjoy your learning time here as we commence now. Hi, welcome to Forex Outlook trading session with Mayowa Owolabi, Africa's most sought after financial market coach. On this live session, you will have access to get potential trade setup, currency pair analysis, trading questions and answers, and lots more. Stay tuned and enjoy your learning time here as we commence now. Hi, welcome to Forex Outlook trading session with Mayowa Owolabi, Africa's most sought after financial market coach. On this live session, you will have access to get potential trade setup, currency pair analysis, trading questions and answers, and lots more. Stay tuned and enjoy your learning time here as we commence now.
Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Good afternoon, everyone. How are you doing? Tell me where you're joining from. Thank you so much for joining. Jane Ogo, good to have you. Babajide Tayo, good to have you on the call today. Tell me where you're joining from. My name is Mayowa Owolabi. You're welcome to this amazing session today. Super excited. Let's click on the share button. Let's help other people see this. Let's help other people see this, and we are good to go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's help other people see this wherever you're joining from. Let me know where you're joining from. Good afternoon, good morning, good day. Fantastic. Good to have you. Thank you. You are doing well. Thank you. Good to have you guys today. Samuel Oduma, how are you doing? Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Samuel Oduma is joining from Lagos. Fantastic. Good to have you on, Samuel Oduma. Jane, where are you joining from? Where are you joining from? Wow, we have another person from Ghana. How is Ghana today? How is Ghana today? Where are you based in Ghana? Accra, where? Which part of Ghana are you based? Which part of Ghana are you based in? Okay, in less than 2 minutes, we're going to kick off the class. I want you guys to share this link. Let's increase the number of people that have access to this session today. Let's increase the numbers. Let's increase the numbers. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's increase the numbers. And how do we do that? We click on the share button and we are good to go. Oh, fantastic. Victor Michael is joining from Ikeja. Victor Michael is joining from Ikeja. Good to have you on today, Victor. Roman Ridge. Roman Ridge from Accra, in Accra. Fantastic. Good to have you on. So as usual, we get busy today with our indexes. Okay, from the indexes, we'll scale it up to our pairs. So last week, when the JPY index was stocked here, was stocked in this place for almost a month. It was stocked. There was no volume. The market for JPY was ranging, and I told us that until JPY reaches this zone, we're not going to be putting any money for a rejection. Okay, so we expect JPY to go deeper here. So what that does is that the likes of AJ, CAD JPY, CHF JPY, USD JPY, we keep going up. I remember last week somebody was talking about USD JPY, that he was looking for a sell, and I said, guy, he's not ready for a sell, not because I don't want to trade, but the institutions are not ready. And naturally, see, the winning edge an average trader has when he understands or trade the way the institutions trade is that it's going to allow him or her to be able to position himself right. And you just don't want to trade against the institutions. You don't want to, because the institutions have the capacity to every single time dictate the direction of the market. And I've shared it with you that these people have over 69% stake in the market. And that's a lot. Imagine a company where they own where one of the stakeholders has 69% of the shares. It's going to have a lot of influence, and this influence will not be the best, but that is what the case is, and the person can really influence the market either up or down. So the same way when it comes into the forex market, the institutions has the capacity to direct it. So when you flow with the index, you will definitely do well because you are trading in alignment with them. Okay, fantastic. We have Charles. Charles, good to have you. Good day, boss. I celebrate you, sir. I celebrate you too. Charles is joining from Ibadan. Eddie DeYoung is joining. Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon. So let's get back to the screen. So JPY is still going down, okay, and it's fine. It's fine. So until it comes to this 6,500 zone, that's where we're going to be looking for a potential reversal. So if you check UJ is going up. Okay, I also said that that GBP is still very weak. There was a reaction last week. A lot of people felt that the bulls have taken over. But right now, you can all see that when it got into this flip zone, the market started going down again. So my bias is still selling for GBP. USD index is still gaining strength. I strongly feel that it has to find its way to this 11600 zone before we can look for a sell before USD can lose strength. Okay. Euro also is still going down, so I feel it's still going to be going down for the rest of the week. So my bias is to look for sell. The bias is to look for sell. Is the bias for euro is still to look for sell, keep selling. Okay, MZD is still weak, guys, still very weak. So we keep selling. It's on the flip zone right now. Let's keep looking for sell. So Swiss francs is back on a demand zone. Okay, that means that there could be a potential retracement for Swiss francs. Okay, we are still holding NZD chef, AUD chef in the community. As a matter of fact, we are tired of holding, but we understand it's business, and because we are doing business, we should allow it like allow it run. So we're still holding it. Then CAD is still very weak too. Okay, but CAD is strong against NZD, against AUD, but you still see some uh, some reversals up and down. So that means that we all need to look for a better way to go into the market, and we're good to go. So that's my views for today for indexes, and we'll be good. Guys, is that clear? Is the index clear? Is the index clear? Tell me, tell me, tell me. Any question on that? Caleb, how you doing, my brother? Okay, so I said, is it clear? And Chukwem says that it's clear. So, hello, what are we to do with Euro GBP? I will check it. Check Euro GBP. I will be good to go. Fantastic. So let's check with clear. Okay, good. So let's check what we have. Let's start with GU as usual. Then from GU, you guys will tell me what you want us to analyze again. Let's go to GU. GU. Okay, so GU currently, from what I have from the what we have from the index, you know that GBP is weak and is also on a drop base, is on a drop, so which is a sell zone. So right now, the only option for us is to look for sell. We look for sell opportunity to keep selling. Okay, so if we can get the market reacted to this, this is also a good place, but I don't like one candle. I don't like one candle impulse for drop. This will be rally based drop. This is better. Okay, this is better. Let's go to 2 hours, 1 hour. Okay, so I would rather do supply around these two zones. I would rather do supply here between now and Thursday because this retracement hasn't gotten to, although there was an intraday 5 minute entry today here, but that is not on the long term check. It's more of an intraday, and that has done 1 to 4. I prefer here. Okay, I'll prefer this up zone here for a sell or here for a sell. Any of these three will be my sell zone. So you have to use your confirmation to decide which one you're going to be using. So if it comes here, you do your confirmation, and we're good to go. Is that clear for GU? Okay, so sell, guys, sell. GU sell. GU sell. Sell. Okay, so if you're an RSI trader, you use your RSI confirmation at any of these three zones. If you're a SMC trader, you use your SMC entry at any of these zones. Any strategy you're using, you can use that to nail it off. To nail it off, and you're good to go. So that's my bias for GU. I strongly feel GU should find his way down deeper to down here. This is the extreme low. So that means that they're still close to about, let me check. From here down, over 800 pips, 1,000 pips. Any of these, just watch out for your confirmations there, and we're good to go. Okay, guys, that's for GU. Any other one? Justice Miriam Favor, interested, sir. Okay. Justice, reach out to this number. She's the admin. She will help you out, okay? Reach out to the number showing on your screen. Showing on the screen, okay? The admin will attend to you and get you started right. So, guys, tell me, What pair do you guys want me to analyze again? So our bias for GU, we are selling. We are selling. We are selling. Keep looking for sell. What guys, you guys want me to analyze? What pair? Okay, Samuel says GJ. Any other? As usual, you drop the pairs. Somebody seconds. Any other pair you guys want us to check today? Okay. Samuel says GJ. Simeon says Hero Chef. Esther says, well done, sir. Thank you so much. Don Simeon says, good afternoon, my coach. Good afternoon, brother. Okay. Ibrahim Akari says zero card. Mark Pyle says EU. So I need people to second. Somebody should second any of the mentioned pairs so we can go deeper on them. Adeshino Adetunji, good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, my brother. Good to have you. Let's go, guys. The gold you analyzed last week actually sold, sir. Yeah. I'm holding mine too. Gold is selling. Yeah. He has done more than 400 pips. Okay, so Omololu Alamutu says Hero Chef. So let's go to Hero Chef. I don't know what you guys are looking for in that pair. Osho Olariwaju says Hero Chef. Oh, really? Let's go and check. What are you guys looking for in that pair? What? Let's go and check what's on Hero pair. Hero Chef, sorry. Wow, I see. It's a good trade. So, right? Lower low, lower high, lower low. And the market came into this imbalance. So, the sell have started already. The sell have started already. This would have been the entry. Okay, so the second entry is here. The third entry is here. Something like this is not bad. But the sellers are in control right now. The sellers are in control. The sellers are in control. Let me see If we can get some, okay, let me see. I would prefer this guy at the top here. I'll prefer this guy. Let me see. Uh-huh. I prefer this guy here. It looks like it. So I can get my confirmation inside there. We'll look for itself. For the bigger picture, we are selling from there. We are exiting around, if you can join the sell, anything around 9,300 is a good one. This is the exit price. So if you can catch any good sell there, you're good. So anything into this place is a good sell. Is a good sell. So if you can have this, you can't use this guy again. Okay. So if you hit stop loss here, put your stop loss, leave it and go. And if it doesn't hit, come here. If it hits, come here. If it doesn't hit, but I strongly feel that Euro is weak. Chef is gaining some traction. So if you go with the index, it's better we sell. That's the only option. I know some of you might be like, but this is a rally-based rally and all of those things. But my bias is sell, sha. My bias is sell. My bias is sell. Great. My bias is sell. I'll drop the two analysis on our Telegram group. We'll drop the two analysis on our Telegram group. Tell me which other one. Did you guys pick the gold last week gold? Samuel Oduma, did you sell the last week gold? GBP USD. Any other pair? Ibrahim Kare says, let's check EuroCard. So let's check EuroCard. EuroCard is on monthly bias, is on a sell bias, sorry, and currently is on a drop-based drop. So if you come to daily, is also Let's check the weekly. I think it's on the flip zone on weekly. Yeah, it's on the flip zone on weekly. So I haven't done that. Sell. Euro card, sell. Okay. Euro card, sell. Okay. The sellers are in control. When the sellers are in control, no matter how tempting it is to buy, stick to buy. So my bias for this particular pair is to look for an opportunity to sell. If we can sell, it will be good. Hope that answers your question, Kari. Look for sell. Look for sell. Sell, sell. Sell, sell. Hey, thank you, brother. I'm from Senegal. Wow, good to have you, bro. Hi, Senegal today. Hi, Senegal today. Good to have you. So let's kill it. Let's look for sell opportunity and we are good to go. Sell, sell, sell. So we have analyzed GU, we've analyzed Euro Chef, we've analyzed Euro Card. One more pair, guys. One more pair. One more pair. Then we'll take questions. One more pair. So somebody is saying EU, another person is saying GJ, another person is saying GA. So kindly look at HF, AZ, ANZD, and AUDJPY. Three pairs at the same time. No, now. We have 4 pairs we check every Wednesdays. You don't need to check all the pairs now. Once you have the index bias is the cocoa, is the main thing. That's why I used to check the index. So from what I've told you, Chef is strong, AUD is weak. So Adeshino, what are you going to be doing, looking for? Chef is strong, AUD is weak. What are you going to be looking for? Okay. Chef is strong, AUD is weak. What are we going to be looking for? Sell, fantastic. That's it, bro. That's it. I've been selling chef, AUD chef since May. Last week in April, I've been selling AUD chef since last week in April, and we are still holding the sell in the group. We are still holding the sell, and we are still going to hold the sell. As I'm looking at it, when we did the analysis yesterday, we might have to hold the sell till February next year. But I don't see a reversal on AUD index. So, and if there's no reversal, that means that chef will keep gaining strength, then the market keeps still going down. So we've been holding it since May, June, last week in April. So let's say May, June, July, August, September, October. This is the October. We're in the 6th month now. We've been holding it. Shinyere says, wow, yeah, that's how to trade. Especially if you're a busy person, okay? If you are not an intraday, okay? And if you're an intraday, I've taught you how to trade as an intraday. As an intraday, don't pick every pair. Just go for two trade a day if you're an intraday, and risk 2%. So if you lose the 2, you've lost 4%. Go for that day. Come back again the next day. Don't trade 5 trades a day or 10 trades a day in the name that you will lose at the end. Guarantee. I'm not teaching you that one. I know. Victor says, oh my God. Yeah, that's the way we rock it. Good afternoon. Jide from Ogun State reconnecting. Hey, good. Is there any exact favorite time frame for your trading? What about the news release? How do you accommodate it in trading? Tire. Okay. So tire, basically, I don't check news. I'm a supply and demand trader. So what it means is that I am only interested in what the institutions are doing. 80 to 90% of the time, the fundamentals always go in alignment with the institutions, because every nation will always want its institutions to succeed, to stand. For example, United States will not want Bank of America to crash. United States will not want JP Morgan to crash. Why? Because it is their pride. So institutions has a way of influencing the market. So I'm not a pure technical trader. I'm more of an investor who is only interested in where the institutions are putting money. So having established that, I don't check news like that. I check general news, what is happening and all of that, but that does not dictate my decisions in the market. Let me also let you know that there is no news that will happen, okay, that can change if the institutions are selling. What will only happen is that there will be a spike. The market will still come in the order of the institution. However, if you are an intraday trader and you are trading the likes of smart money concepts, you are trading all these naked chart approach, you have to make sure you are strong with technical and you back it up with fundamentals. And your fundamentals will be micros, not incidents. No, micros, decisions. What is happening in the labor market? What is happening in their House of Assemblies and all of that. So you are interested in all those figures. You are interested in job offerings that has happened for the. So you are dealing with. I recommend you learn macros. So with macros has a way of aligning with the technical part of the market. But because I'm more of a swing trader, although I pick my trades from 5 minutes, 15 minutes, and 30 minutes, that's where I enter my trades. but I'm always moving in the direction of the bigger time frame. So the challenge with my approach of trading is that I don't see a trade in a week. Sometimes I don't see a trade in a week. Sometimes I don't even see a trade in 3 weeks. Okay, because it doesn't meet my condition. But if I wanted to have made money, I would have jumped in, I would have made some money, I'm good to go. But for me, I take it as a bad habit. Okay, bad habit is making money when you are not, when it's not the right way. So the challenge is that over time, the bad habit will collect the money back from you. So once you understand that, then back to time frame. So because I'm a swing trader, I trade from 4 hours daily, 8 hours. That is my trading chart. But my entry chart is on 30 minutes, 15 minutes. So from the higher time frame, when I go to the lower time frame, it allows me to reduce my trade. So an average trade on daily is 40 pips, 70 pips. But when you go to 30 minutes using your redefining and redefining your zones and all of that, you can now reduce the 40 something, 70 something to 15 pips, to 5 pips. Okay. It has its own advantage, it has its own disadvantage, but I'm convenient with it. Okay, I'm convenient with it. I rarely blow account. Okay, I'm convenient with it. I can have a losing trade, but I can never have a losing account because I'm using the right calculation of risk. And whenever I pick one trade, I forget all my losses. Like I just pick one, all my 2 month loss or 3 month loss, I can forget it because that one can give me all the money. My whole target for 6 months or 1 year, can give it to me. So you need to understand what suits you and what it will work for your personality. So to select the time frame, you have to ask yourself, am I a busy person? If I'm a busy person, I do swing. You have to do swing. So if you are available to trade daily, then you do intraday. Then you identify your strategy and you're good to go. Okay, hope I've answered your question well. I'm just sharing my view. Okay, so are you still holding GCHEF? Yeah. GCHEF is amazing. I ran out, sir, from HF. I got tired, made a lot from it, though got out last week. Yeah, that's the challenge. I gave you guys the AUD chef on this call, but that's the challenge. You have to wait. You must also know that you are in for business. You're not in for, you must have a way of separating emotions from your trading. Okay, if you don't, there'll be issue. Okay, if you don't, there'll be issue. You have to separate emotions from your, because okay, why are you disturbed about closing it? It happens to me too, so it's not that I'm a holy guy. Okay, I'm just working towards perfection. Okay, so sometimes I'll see 1 to 200, I'll reach $10 to make like $2,000. I'll just say this money is okay, and I close it. And when I close it, sometimes it still goes deeper. So in such scenario, so far you are not in loss, you are good. But you can close, you can always close your trade and look for the next one. So here is the concept I've seen, here's the challenge I've seen. I've discovered that when you now close and you have made the money, you have to be very careful because the next 2 trades, you can be influenced by your success. You can be influenced by your success. So that is why you see that you always win a trade, and the next 2-3 trades you have higher chances of losing because you are not as detailed again. You always think, you see, there's a way an average trader feels ego, feels like, oh, I've gotten it. Then you just feel it like, I'm now a superstar. Then the next trade, you will enter higher lot size. Come on, guys. Don't be too serious at me. Put in 7-7. If that happens to you, come on, let's go, let's go, let's go. Don't make it look as if I'm the only one that is to commit. Come on, put it. So you would have made a trade, or you'd have. So what you need to now do is that when you are after, like Miles Moran says, that the challenge of success is the previous success. So when you succeed in a trade, be careful in the next transaction. You have a high chance to lose it, because a lot of time you won't be detailed. You won't be detailed. Let's see what you guys are saying. Okay. Okay, I'm out of HF. I'm out of GHF. Hello, coach. How are you doing? Hey, Taban, I'm great. Good to have you. How is Kenya? Victor Michael says secret revealed. Yeah, that's it, bro. There's nothing to hide. Please, sir, what is imbalance? Okay. All these terms, all the terms is just, oh, hey, oh, God. Oh. All these terms, they will just use it to wound somebody. So what is imbalance? Imbalance. Okay, so this is a candle. This is another candle. This is another candle. Now, can you see that this is a low? This is a high of this candle. In between, because this low of this previous candle and this high of this previous candle, they did not touch themselves. So there's an ideology that says that this is an imbalance. Okay, good. There's another ideology that says that when you have a long candle like this, is an imbalance. This kind of big candle, a very long engulfing candle. There's another ideology that calls this imbalance. Imbalance. Okay. Now, there's another ideology that calls this imbalance. When this high, this low, and this high of this candle did not hit themselves, they will also call this imbalance. Now, oh geez, some people also call this FGW, FFG. Okay, when you see long candle, they call this FFG. So they select this whole candle. So don't be confused. My own, all of this is if I see another candle here, I'll pick this as a base. That's what me I will trade. So you have to, if you are not careful, if you are just a YouTube follower, before you finish one person's video and you go and watch another person's video, you will know so much and you are not going to be making money, because you will not complete the process. Okay, let me show you an imbalanced trade that I felt I have lost. So if you see this now, let me remove ITC strategy on it. So you can see that this is a low. This is a low. This is a high. Okay, I can see this big candle. So they will call this imbalance. They call this imbalance. Now, this is imbalance using this as explanation. Then there's another ideology that calls this drop base rally. This rally that took off, this big candle, they also call this imbalance. And this is what some of them even trade. As a matter of fact, the one that trades this is called ICT. There is a man Michael, amazing experienced trader. This is what he does. They call this FVG, but I don't trade that. Okay, this is what I trade. I trade supply. I trade. So on this pair, this is 8 hours. I trade purely supply and demand. Base. This is drop base rally. So this is buy zone. Okay, this is my own buy zone. So I don't trade imbalance. I trade supply and demand. Okay, so when the market hit into this place, I went lower on lower time frame, and I was actually waiting for my lower time frame confirmation, and I didn't get it. Okay, I didn't get it. So that's how imbalance works. Hope I've answered your question. Hope I've answered your question. 4 more minutes, guys. Hey, my boss dropping key point. I'm just trying my best, Mr. Addition. Is there any relationship between gold, EU, and GBP USD? Yes, there's USD correlation there. If USD is strong, gold, EU, and GU will be selling. Ojo says you correct. Thank you. Wills Ndamati says yes, sir. After some wins, we will start throwing stunts and losing account. Yeah, that's as in like that's it. That's the main challenge. When you make money, you forget the process, or you are proud of the process, then you know you miss it again. Speaking my mind, I'm just trying my brother. Okay, Alfred says Kenya is good. Fantastic. Aha, you can see them. You can see Michael Victor. Fear value gap. Okay, so fair value gap. Okay, fair value gap. That's it. You can see. Victor have watched all the video finish. The big candle is called order block. The big candle is called order block. Order block is not big candle. Emmanuel, order block is not big candle. Order block is red candle before the big green candle. That's the buy order block. Sell order block is the green candle before the drop of the red candle. That is sell order block, not big candle. Big candle is not order block. Don't let them book. Don't. Well, sorry. Namaste. Sorry. School of thoughts are different. School of thought. So if they call it order block and it's working for you, continue. So don't. I'm not correcting. Sorry. Everything I just said now, I didn't mean it. Please. So I'm not correcting. I'm just sharing. That's mine. Samuel Ojo say, thank you so much, sir. You're welcome, bro. Yes, sir. Thank you so much. I'm just trying my best. Yeah, Victor, hello. Yes, now you have gone everywhere. How do we know currency strength? How do we know currency strength? You have to learn market. You can't know currency strength by just how do we know currency strength. You can use the website. There's websites that can show you currency strength. What I use for currency is currency index to know what is wrong or what others are saying. Joshua says, good afternoon, sir. Does DXY index determine the strength of the market for weekly? No, DX index is only for USD. DXY is only for USD, not for the entire market. It's not for the entire market. Not the entire market. So you only use it to know if Euro USD we sell or we buy and all of that. Okay. The definition you said is what I know too, sir. Yeah. For other block, right? You are correct with the explanation of other block. The big candle is order in the lower time frame. Okay, I get it. Got it. Okay, so I round up with Euro GBP. Please, can you look Euro GBP? Euro GBP. What is on Euro GBP? What is happening? I need Euro GBP. Euro GBP. It's not interesting. There's nothing to do here. It's not interesting. Go and do other pair. I've told you it's not a must you trade a pair. There's nothing to do here. It's ranging. High, low, high, low, high, low, low, high. No, it doesn't. It's not worthy my money. I worked so hard before I trade. I worked so hard for my money, so this guy is not worthy my money. Okay? He's not worthy my money at all. He's not worthy my money. Okay? I think you guys have gained value today. Make sense? Show some love if you guys learned something new today, or you guys gained value. Put in some thank you, put in some value, put in some. So I have two major announcements. Sir, I didn't get through to your secretary, sir. Sir, I can't get through to your secretary. But that's not possible. Please, get through. That is the same line. Get through. Get through. That's the number again. Get through to her. Victor Michael, get through to her. Thank you so much. So I have two major announcements. For a lot of you that wants to fix your trading, learn institutional trading concept, how I trade, okay? You can go to our website, okay? Go to our website and go to our website. On our website, you will see, okay, you can join us for 3 months. Okay, 3 months, you have access to the community, you have access to the course, over 100 videos training. You have access to 4 training sessions a week. It goes for $350 per month. Okay. Then after your 3 months, you can start paying $100 every month. Okay, that's the regular. Okay, Mr. Mayowa, I want to be in this group for 1 year. Okay, you be in the group for 1 year is $1,000. That saves you 2 months. Okay, for 1 year, all our analysis, setup, and all of that, you get that for 1 year. Then if you want private session, you're already a trader, you just want my one-on-one private session, it's $500 for 1 month, 4 hours, and you're good to go. Then we also have those that wants to trade with me package, mentorship and trade with me. These are business owners who have money, they want to learn, and they have capital to trade. Okay, that goes for $5,000 for 1 year. So one-on-one session, 1 year, all the trades that I'll pick for one, I monitor the account. You are also learning how it's done, and you're good to go. And if you're in Lagos, I'm having a private session with some amazing people. It's called the Money Matters. You can go to moneymatters.com. Sorry, myowolabi.com/MMC. Money Matters with Owolabi. One of the reasons that I bet this is because I've seen a lot of people struggle. They've been struggling and they struggle to even know what to do. They are forex traders, they are crypto traders, they have capital, they put in all their money in a trade, they lose it, and they don't even know how to put their portfolios together. So this month, I'm hosting them here in Ikeja. It's a physical and also online program, so you can also join online. Okay, we have the regular, which is free to attend. Then we have the VIP. The VIP is $100. Okay, and currently we have the early bird for $20. A lot of people have paid for the VIP. Now, what will you get at the VIP? I'm going to be breaking down your ideas for you. I'm going to be giving you a framework you can start working with. I'm also going to be giving you monthly target and how you can meet those targets. See, I meet my target almost every month. There are some months I don't meet it, but I have a set target that I want to meet every month. And who helped me? My mentor. I have a mentor that I report my inflow to. Not because I want to tell him how much I make or how much I am worth, but when you have somebody you are reporting to, it allows you to grow. And a lot of time, because we don't have that when it comes to money, people are missing out. So I see people want to trade Forex and everything they do is Forex. Not knowing that Forex, you don't need up to 2 hours in a day. So what do you do for 24 hours? You are sleeping, you are on your chart, you are just there looking for trade. You don't need to look for trade. Your trade is meant to come to you. So you do your setup and you wait for the trade to come there. Not that you will babysit trade for 8 hours. You are trying to look for a trade. Guy, you are wasting your life. You're wasting your time. And why did I say you are wasting your life? It's because time equals life. So imagine 8 hours every day or five hours every day. No trade. The trade did not even meet your condition. You don't even understand how the market is structured. And this is why we've put this together. We're having this one in next week, Saturday. So block your itinerary. If you're in the city of Lagos, we have free access to come in. But the VIP will be having a session with me that day after the free session. Then we'll go deeper with them and we're good to go. So imagine having access with me for about 15,000 Naira for just that day. That's amazing. So if you're interested, the VIP closes this Friday. So with 15,000 Naira, you have access to the VIP. And if you are online, you'll pay $20. And when you're all, so you won't be disconnected during the VIP session. I'm really excited. It's going to be an amazing time for some of you to even have to see me. A lot of you see me online and the rest of that. So I'll see you guys again tomorrow when we talk about cryptocurrency. So go ahead and click on the link. Click on the link, register. If you are paying for the VIP, get that sorted. You know, if you are paying for the VIP, get that sorted. You have access to the recording also. Thank you so much. Can I fill the gaps with you? With can you? Thank you, sir. Can I fill the gaps with you with your recorded videos? Can I fill which gap? That's not clear. Ayara Noah says one love. Thanks, brother. Please use another number. Thanks a lot. Gain value. Learned about imbalance. Fantastic. Thank you so much for the information that you give out freely. God will bless you. Amen, my brother. So right now, go to the site. Okay, that's the website. Go and register. If you want the VIP, pay for it. If you don't want the VIP, register for the regular. And I'll see you guys next week, Saturday. Okay, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow is on cryptocurrency. A lot has been happening in the cryptocurrency market. I've given you my the coins I'm looking out for. I'm just waiting for them to come. We're going to be rocking and rolling. So, guys, that'll be all for today. You have a pleasant evening. My name remains Mayowa Owolabi. And for a lot of you that you're having issues with the number, I think you can call directly again. I don't know why you're having issues with the number, but keep trying. Yeah, 499 Yeah, that's the number. Okay. Have a great day. Peace out, guys.